Hey guys and girls, this is coming up next on my channel, so stay tuned. Bye for now. So guys, I want to show you this STL file of creature in a boat or driving a boat. Let's open it up. And here it is. And this is what we're printing right now. I'm going to show you the time lapse of this. It's a pretty cool print that I created in studio. And I hope you enjoy it.